Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. We're actually getting ready to head out and grab some lunch. Chicago is finally getting some consistent sunshine. Not too hot, but it's not as cold as it has been. But anywho, I was gifted some new items from none other than Dior Beauty. And of course, you guys know I have to share all of the newness with you guys when I get it in. So here's how it came. This is the Dior little signature box with this new print that I'm loving. It's like a jungle print. So yeah, really cool print for the box. Everything is in here. And this is a true unboxing. I haven't opened anything, so yeah, but I'm excited. Here are the items. So here are my samples that I got, and I only got one. I could have chosen two, but I wanted to get this men's cologne because Father's Day is approaching and PK does not own any Dior fragrances, and so I got this one to have him test out and see if he likes it. But I want to smell it first. Smells nice. So yeah, I got this for him so that he can try it out to see if he likes it. If he likes it, this will be part of his Father's Day gift. So the first thing I want to share with you guys, I was so excited when I saw that Dior came out with their new Rosy Glow Stick blush. I have been obsessed with like cream type blushes. That's pretty much all I wear now. I don't wear any powder blushes anymore. And so I saw that Dior came out with a full line of them. I had the hardest time choosing. Several of them were already out of stock, so I put myself on a notify me list because I will be getting more. Here's the one that I got. I got the shade Pink. I love a pink blush. The tube is definitely a play on the Dior Lip Glow Lip Balm. Very similar to it. So cute. Has Dior signature all over it. So let's see. So here's how it looks. And I'll show you guys somewhere here on the screen me applying it so you can see how it looks. Oh, how pretty is this packaging? So pretty. So I am so excited to try this out. I love the packaging, of course. Great for travel. You could throw this in your bag if you are someone who likes to reapply your makeup, or if you do your makeup on the go. This is perfect. You could throw it in your toiletry or makeup bag and it won't take up a lot of space. Love that so much. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this. So that is the first newest product. Also, I got the Christian Dior Le Baume limited edition hand, lip, and body cream with the case. Now y'all had to know I was gonna get this, right? I mean, it's just screams me. So let's open it up. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so here it is. How cute is this? So I originally fell in love with the new packaging for the hand balm because this is like one of my favorite hand balms. I have the original one in my bag right now as we speak, but I will be switching it out soon. But then I saw that they had this like case also. So how cute. Now you can get the case separate if you don't want the cream, or you can get the cream separate. You don't have to get these together, but y'all know I was gonna get both of them because it's only right. So got that, and I just love it so much. It's so cute. So you see, you just take it out and you can reuse this. You can clip it on your bag, you can clip it on your belt, you can clip it on your whatever keychain. Just have a cute little hand balm on the go. How cute is that? So definitely going to be switching into this for the summer, of course, because the pink. But yeah, I just love this. I had to get it. I had to get this. And then it does have, let me take this little sticker off. So the little charm here says Dior, and it has a little D-ring here. Super, super cute. I love that. Like, it's so me. A couple other things that I wanted to share with you guys. I also recently picked up the Dior Lip Glow Butter with the little Dior charm. I got the shade Toffee, and it's probably my favorite shade of all of them. I think they have like 5 different shades. This one is my favorite. I love it. I'm actually wearing it today, and I paired it with Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in shade 204. I'll link it below, but I paired it with this one, and it's so pretty. I did the Lip Maximizer first, and then I went in with the little lip balm, and I love it. I wear this by itself as well. It's very hydrating. I love it. It's so cute. I love the little charm. How cute is that? You guys already know I am a huge Dior Beauty fan, so all the little cutesy things, they're gonna get me every time because I just can't resist. I can't help myself, and the products are good and so luxurious. So the last thing that I picked up recently, the Dior Forever Skin Perfect. This is the multi-use foundation stick blur correction with 24-hour wear and hydration. And I'm actually wearing this today. Now, I am not a full face makeup foundation girl, so something like this is perfect for me because I can use this as a concealer as well as if I want to add a little extra coverage. But I used it today as a concealer, and it matches my skin perfectly. I got the shade 4N. This is the perfect match for me. So yeah, like I said, that's what I'm wearing today. It gives a very flawless, no makeup look. Again, like I said, I'm not a full coverage girl, so I don't like to have a lot of heavy, like cakey makeup on, but I do like a nice put together look on a day-to-day, and this stick has really been nice, so I've been loving that. You can still like see my imperfections, but it gives just like your skin but better effect. So yeah guys, those are my new Dior Beauty goodies that I received from Dior. Thank you again, Dior, for gifting me these items. I appreciate it so much. I do have a code I'll leave in the description box below for you guys, where you can get a complimentary gift with purchase if you spend $130 or more, so definitely take advantage of that. Also, don't forget to sign up for the Dior loyalty members program, because that's how you get all of the like exclusive gift with purchases, like the tote bag that I shared with you guys in my last Dior unboxing, that big blue tote. That was a gift that I received complimentary because I had reached the next tier of my loyalty program. So I think now I'm gold, if I'm not mistaken. So once I reached the gold status, I was able to get that tote bag with the Dior Addict lip balm and the hand balm. So definitely sign up for that, and you can start racking up those points. Some other perks that come with becoming a loyalty member: you get complimentary shipping, samples with each purchase. You also get the beautiful luxurious packaging that we all love with Dior. The packaging is just always so amazing. Complimentary engraving on fragrances or certain makeup products, which I've shown you guys in the past. So yeah, there are a lot of perks that come with becoming a loyalty member, so I highly recommend signing up for that. If you're shopping on Dior.com and you're not a loyalty member, you're really missing out, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. Also, don't forget about the dads out there. Father's Day is approaching, and we got to show the dads some love too. So yeah, again, I will leave everything linked below with my personalized code that you guys can use to get a complimentary gift with purchase of $130 or more. All right, y'all, we have made it back home. I got a package in from Fancy Homebody. They had a drop Friday for the Essential Sweats separates. So they all came with matching shorts, but I don't wear shorts like that, so I opted out of the shorts, but love the tops. So I got the butter yellow. I think this is what this one is. It's like kind of cropped, half zip. Says a Fancy Homebody here. Super cute. So I can just like throw this on casually with whatever. Like if I'm, you know, just want to be cozy. It has these pockets here. Super cute and very, very soft. Very soft, but not like too heavy to where you can't wear it in the summer. I'll definitely be wearing this in the summer. And then I got the pink. I think this is Princess Pink. And the zip hoodie. Oh, I got medium in both. So here's the hoodie. How cute is this? So yeah, I can like just throw this on. So yeah, super cute, very soft, super soft on the inside, but again, not very heavy. So very cute. That is what I got in from Fancy Homebody. I am getting ready to get a quick workout in and then grab something to eat. I've been craving a tuna cotto from Joe and the Juice, so I'm thinking about doing that for lunch today. And yeah, so I'm gonna go put my hair up and tie it up. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go. I will check back in a little bit later. All right, y'all, I'm back. I did go and get my lunch from Joe and the Juice. I got spicy tuna sandwich, no Tabasco. I also got an iced blueberry latte with almond milk. I hope it's good. We'll see. And this is for later. But this is a carrot cake. It looks so good. I love carrot cake. So that's for later. That'll be my little after dinner treat. So yeah, I got that. And I want to try this. The girl at the register said it was really good. That's pretty good. I like it. It's actually really good. Okay. And this is my sandwich. Spicy tuna with no Tabasco. So good. So I am gonna enjoy my lunch, watch some Love Island, and check back in with y'all a little bit later. Okay. It is the end of the day. I've showered, put on some fresh, cozy, fancy Homebody pajamas. I just did my skincare, drinking my water. I'm about to make me some green tea. Finished getting caught up on Love Island because a new episode drops tonight. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Just wind down for the evening. I hope you all enjoyed spending a couple days with me. I'm really enjoying doing these like daily type vlogs. Just bringing you guys with me for a couple days doing just whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.